So listen to this result. Another history for South Africa. My name is Alphonse Fokou. Stay tuned till the end of this short video.
President Cyril Ramaphosa has once again been elected as the head of state following the first sitting of the National Assembly. Despite the African National Congress losing its majority in the 2024 general election, it will still occupy power in the form of the presidency and the Speaker of the National Assembly. The party, which has been taunting a government of national unity, has come to an agreement with the second biggest political party in the country, the Democratic Alliance, which has now scored the position of the Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly.
Silent, 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 silent. Let me finish the results, please. Honorable J.S. Malema, 44 votes. Honorable MC Ramaphosa, 283 votes. Didiza, 284.
Honorable Annelie Lothriet, 273 votes.
The first sitting of the National Assembly post the 7th Democratic General Election. And as promised, the former President Jacob Zuma's MK party, which is now the country's third biggest political party with over 50 seats in parliament, was a no-show for the sitting. Members of the National Assembly were duly sworn in by the Chief Justice of the Republic of South Africa, Raymond Zondo.
Mna Phemi Majodina ndiyafunga okokuba ndiza kunyaniseka kwiRepublic yomZantsi Afrika kwaye ndiza kuthobela ndiwuhlonele ndixhase umgaqo-siseko kwakunye nayo yonke into eminye imithetho yeRepublic. Kananjalo ndiyathembisa ngokunyanisekileyo okokuba ndiza kuyenza imisebenzi yam njengelungu lendlu yowiso-mthetho yesizwe kangangoko ndinako.
After all the present members of Parliament were sworn in, the business of the main house proceeded to elect the new Speaker of the National Assembly. This saw the ANC's Fokou Didiza go toe-to-toe with the EFF's Veronica Mente.
Silent, 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 silent. Let me finish the results, please. Honorable Mentenkuna, 49.
Then the EFF nominated the ATM's Vuyelwethu Zungula as the Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly. And the DA nominated its very own Annelie Lothriet.
Honorable V. Zungula, 54 votes. Thank you. Honorable Annelie Lothriet, 273 votes.
The interim government is expected to announce its plan to host the inauguration of the president-elect, which will take place in Pretoria.
The maturity of the South African government. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you next time.